Good morning, everyone. This is your Nilofer ma'am. I hope you all are fine at your homes and your study is going well. So, as you all know, that we are doing the syllabus of internal assignment 3. Our subject is English literature, and in today's video, I will explain you lesson 4B, which is a poem. Topic of the poem is Chivi. So, the poem is composed by the poet, that is Michael Rosen, and he has composed this poem from the point of view of children. So, like always, before explaining the poem, I would like to give you briefing of the poem. So, to give the briefing of the poem, it is very important to tell you what is the meaning of chivi. So, chivi means to tell someone repeatedly to do something. So, when the elders tell children to do something repeatedly, it becomes annoying for them, and that is the poem about. It is very good to tell the children what to do and how to do, but it gets annoyed for the children when every time the elders tell them that do this one, don't do this one. So that is the poem about. Let's read before the explanation of the poem. Ask yourself as well as your partner, do you like to be always told what to do or not to do? Do grown-ups do this in your experience? So you have to ask to yourself and to your partner also that he or she is told what to do or not to do, or do grown-ups do this in your experience? And here is an extract of the poet's life. When Michael was 5 years old, his mother took him to a nearby school for admission. The teacher asked, "What does your mother call you at home?" "Child." "Michael, don't," came the confident reply. So, when Michael's mother has taken him for the admission in a school, the teacher asked him that, "What does your mother call you at home?" And confidently, Michael gave the answer that Michael don't, because his mother at that time used to say, "Michael, do this, Michael, don't do this." And that is annoying for Michael, like every child, because if continuously someone is saying to you that don't do something, don't do that, don't do this, so it becomes chivi for the children also. Note, to chivi is to nag, to continuously urge someone to do something, often in an annoying way, according to the dictionary. So as I have told you the meaning of chivi is that you are continuously saying to someone to do something in an annoying way. Now, let's read the poem. Grown ups say things like speak up, don't talk with your mouth full, don't stare, don't point, don't pick your nose. So, grown ups means adult person say things to the children like speak up, don't talk when your mouth is full when you are eating, don't stare, don't look at someone continuously, don't show finger to anyone, that means don't point, don't pick your nose. Sit up, say please, less noise, shut the door behind you, don't drag your feet, haven't you got a hanky, take your hands out of your pockets. And the elders say to children that sit up, say please to someone when you are asking for something, make less noise, shut the door behind you means whenever you are going out of the room, out of the uh, room of any place, so you should shut the door. Don't drag your feet means walk properly without dragging your feet. Why don't you have take a hanky and take your hands out of your pocket? Don't keep your hands in the pockets. Pull your socks up, stand up straight, say thank you, don't interrupt, no one thinks you are funny, take your elbows off the table, can't you make your own mind up about anything? So the elders say to children that pull your socks up, stand straight whenever you are standing, say thank you when someone is giving something to you, when you are taking something from someone, don't interrupt. Interrupt means don't stop someone from doing something, don't interrupt in between when elders are talking, no one thinks you are funny. And when the children show their funny behavior, so the elders say to the children that no one thinks you are funny, so don't show it. And they also say take your elbows off the table. Off means take your elbows away from the table. And they also say can't you make your own mind up about anything means you are not able to take any decision on yourself, although they never let them take the decision, and they say that take your own decision. Although it is very good to tell the children that what to do and how to do, but not every time, because everything is not good when it is in excess. So we have to think about the feelings of the children also, and that is the poem about. Michael Rosen has composed this poem on his own experiences. So this was your poem Chivi, which I have explained you. I hope everything is clear to all of you. If still any confusion is there, so you can ask me on the WhatsApp also. I'll meet you in the another explanation video. Till that, keep learning, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye everyone.